Welcome to Giggle Box Kids Magic. Look who's here today. It's our lovely mommy Chloe. Say hello to Pixie and giggle, let's play. Tie up your apron, put on your cape, getting our little superheroes in shape. Ready and steady, the mission is near. Teamwork is magic for us, my dear. Let's clean our home with a happy smile, working together for a little while. Tidy up the toys, put them in the box. Red cars, blue cars, and little woolen socks. Giggle picks them up, running fast and free. A happy little helper, as busy as can be. Grab a little cloth, wipe the dust away, making everything shine on a sunny day. Wipe the little table, make the edges gleam, working all together like a busy little team. Fold the cozy blankets, fold the tiny clothes. Where does this small sock go? Right upon your nose. Laughing and a smiling, chores are so much fun. Look at what we did, see the world